Hey guys, Dave here from Easy Country Cooking and Cook and Share. Well, it's Tuesday, Wednesday, I don't even know what day it is. It's midweek anyway. And I wanted to make up something really simple and really quick as always, so I decided to make up this bell pepper chicken. Incredibly easy, as I said, and delicious. You are simply going to love this, so let me show you how to do it. Alrighty then, we're going to grab up 2 or 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts and take a good sharp knife and begin to slice them up. Slicing chicken, you just have to love it. And here's the thing, guys, you want these really, really thin, like something like this. That's just about perfect. So use a good sharp knife and slice them up really nice and thin. Okay, so we're going to grab up those beautifully thinly sliced pieces of chicken and throw them into a bowl. Follow this up with a 1/4 cup of rice wine vinegar. You can use red wine vinegar too. 2 tablespoons of the good old soy sauce. Another tablespoon of dark soy sauce. And if you don't have dark, just use 3 tablespoons of the regular. A couple of tablespoons of cornstarch just to thicken things up. And about 1.5 teaspoons or 2 teaspoons of ground black pepper. I'm not using salt because the soy sauce has enough sodium for today. Then I'm going to grab up my tongs and mix everything together until that mixture covers the chicken. And oh, this is looking so good. Of course, guys, you can mix and match these. I mean, the rice vinegar you could replace with cooking wine, stuff like that. So yeah, just go ahead and be creative. We're just going to set this aside to marinate for about 10 minutes. I mean, you can leave it longer, but I'm getting hungry here, so 10 minutes is good enough. While the chicken is marinating, I'm going to grab up a red bell pepper and kind of julienne it up. Just slice it into strips, so it's going to look real nice and pretty and cool in the dish. And of course, the same thing with the green bell pepper. So we got the red and the green, all kinds of colors in there. Alrighty then, let's go ahead and add some oil to a pan over medium-high heat. Go ahead and throw that chicken in. And we're just going to stir and fry this up for about 6 minutes or so until it's cooked through. It won't take very long because remember, we sliced it really thin. Yeah, now we're coming here, guys. Just check this out. And it is so good when it's sliced thin. I think, in my humble opinion, it's a lot more tender. Next up, in with half a small chopped onion that I sliced up. And of course, 3 or 4 cloves of the good old chopped garlic that I love so much. Stir and fry the onion and garlic around until that incredible aroma fills the air. And notice I kind of moved the chicken to one side of the pan so you can saute the onion and garlic better. Now, of course, grab up those bell peppers and throw them in. Once again, mix them up and stir and fry and saute and have some fun until those bell peppers just begin to tenderize. So maybe, 4 minutes, something like that. I like mine a little on the crispy, crunchy side, but it's entirely up to you. And after about 4 minutes or so, it's pretty much done, guys. Wasn't that simple and easy? But don't be clicking stuff and going away yet. No, don't do that because we are going to plate and taste. And of course, as with any dish like this, I'm going to plate this up with some steaming hot white rice. I mean, you could use taters or something too, but I think rice is such a nice match. But I mean, just look at this, my friends. Doesn't it look incredibly delicious? And there you have it, guys. Our simple and easy, less than 30 minutes, bell pepper chicken. Oh, this is going to be so good when we taste it. So let's try it. All right, let's grab some of this up here, guys, and just see what we have. And just look at this. Oh, looks absolutely fantastic. Steaming hot over some rice, red and green bell peppers, and the chicken. Oh, this is going to be fantastical. All right, let's give this a taste test and see what we have. Once again, guys, we've outdone ourselves. 30 minutes. I mean, the bell peppers are still crunchy. Chicken is tender. Love that sauce. Of course, the onions, the garlic. Amazing how something so simple can be so good. You just got to make this. And if you do, as always, leave us a comment. Give us a like because it does help the channel out. Most of all, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys, and definitely make this. And we'll see you next time. And of course, I'm going to have more bell pepper chicken because it's so good.